Alright, do a quick video on my 50 that I'm still been working on. What I want to discuss in this is it's all back together after I was kind of working on it, but one of the things that has frustrated me about these motors, and I'm working on them and stuff, a few different ones is when you have the front plate on, it has places to adjust the carburetors, but you can't really see into the carburetor to see how well you have the fuel adjusted, because you could be flooding it and fuel coming out, so it's really difficult. So what I came up with was I went in and taped down the Swithchbox, and then I have a ground wire that goes from the bolt on the bottom of this Swithchbox. Kind of see it down here, and then I just got it going over to here, and then for the rectifier charging circuit, what I did was I have this connected to here, also going down to ground. Then I'm going to tape this up really well so it can't touch anything, it won't make any contact. I can tape it up really well, and then that'll allow me, when I start it, to then be able to see inside of the carburetors to see how much fuel, and make my carburetor adjustments. So I wanted to show that because this is my new idea about how to do this. And then once you got it adjusted right, then we can go ahead and mount this on the front panel, which is this guy. So as you can see, there's no way to really look inside this panel and see those carburetors. The only trick to this, really not a trick, but I won't really be able to use, this is, your choke. So if I pull up on it when I'm if I want to choke it off, I can do that with my switch. I think it's fine. Or I could use this, just do that and choke it off, and just gotta be careful. But that'll allow me to set my carbs. And then I got my remote switch on it, and for the choke, I just put some tape on the end of this so it won't ground out anywhere, because that goes on this screw right here, to engage the choke. But so anyway, wanted to show that because if anybody else is frustrated with that, can't really check their carbs, and it's kind of a pain. Anyway, all this is now connected, and new solenoid. We've already checked this coil, and the Swithchbox works great. It was running before, and then I realized I had another issue that I needed to resolve. So I just need to throw the lower unit back on it, and then I can test it out. And with work being what it's just been crazy, so I can't really just finish out this project because I wanted to get it finished. Yeah, so anyway, I just want to do a quick video on that, and I'm trying to get this done so everybody can see it running and everything, and then I'll figure out what's next.
Are you